Once upon a time, there lived a man in a small village. He was very worried about his son. His son was lazy and careless. He never worked, he just wandered here and there in the village all day long. One day, the man decided to teach his son a lesson. He called his son to him and said gently, "Son, there is a watch kept inside the cupboard. Bring it to me." The boy went and opened the cupboard, took out the watch, and came back to his father. The father looked at the watch and then said, "Now take this watch to the market. Ask everyone you meet how much they think it is worth." The boy nodded and went to the market with the watch. He showed the watch to different people. One man said it was worth 500 rupees, another said 1000, and someone else said 800. Everyone gave a different price. The boy came back home and said, "Father, everyone told me a different price for the watch. Some said 500, some said 800, and some said 1000. The man smiled and said, "All right, put the watch back in the cupboard." The next day, the man called his son again and asked him to bring the same watch. The boy brought it and gave it to his father. Then the father said, "Now go to the market again. This time, don't ask the price of the watch, ask people the price of the time inside this watch." The boy was confused. He didn't understand what his father really meant, but still, he obeyed and went to the market again. He asked the people he met, "How much is the time inside this watch worth?" People looked at him strangely. Some laughed at him, some told him to go away, and some said, "What a foolish question." The boy felt embarrassed and sad. Finally, he stopped at a small shop where an old man was busy repairing watches. When the boy asked him the same question, the old shopkeeper paused his work. He looked at the boy with a kind smile and understood what the boy was trying to ask. He said softly, "Son, you cannot put a price on time. You can give millions of rupees, but you cannot buy back even 1 second of your life. That is why you must use your time wisely." The boy listened carefully. The old man continued, "Time has one bad thing and one good thing. The bad thing is it passes, the good thing is you can choose how to spend it. Everyone in this world has 24 hours in a day, both the rich and the poor. The difference is how they use those hours." The boy's eyes filled with understanding, and something changed inside him. He thanked the old man and went home quickly. He told his father everything that had happened in the market. The man smiled with pride and placed his hand on his son's shoulder. From that day on, the boy's life changed completely. He started working hard, began using his time wisely, and stopped wasting his days wandering around. He understood the real value of every moment. Friends, time is free for everyone, but it is priceless. You cannot buy it, but you can use it. You cannot keep it, but you can spend it. Once it is gone, you can never get it back. So, use your time wisely. Opening square bracket.